So it's Happy Friday around here. Gina's at a trade show and Sunday is Mother's Day. One of Gina's favorite things to do is to put together floral arrangements and pot flowers, as you can see over here in the corner. So today I'm going to put together a little potting table for her real quick. And first we were going to just whip something out of 2x4s and something quick and rough, but we have some other priorities right now. And then we thought we'd just buy something off Marketplace, maybe an old used table or something. But I got on there and it was minimum $100 just for an old worn out table. So decided to spend that much money on a little Amazon unit. And so I'm going to throw that together real fast and see if we can surprise her on Sunday. So we got lucky. It looks like a lot of the parts are pre-assembled. So this should go pretty fast. We're going to see how fast this takes and we're going to time it. So this has gone together pretty quick. All we've got to do now is a little bit of squaring up, tighten the bolts, and pretty much slick the top together. So got my handy dandy carpenter square. Square that up right there. And we'll start on our first one. We'll pop these on, and then I'll show you the final piece as we put the top together, and that'll be it. Here's the last piece of the puzzle. We have this little basin or bin that's designed to hold your potting soil or your mess, whatever it has. It just lifts right in here. We have these two tabletops, and they actually slide out of the way. So we've got two little dowels here. And you just have to line these dowels up here. It drops into place. And we do the same thing with this side. So they slide together to create your working tabletop. And when you want to work with your little basin for your mess, you just slide these out of the way. Extend your tabletop out to the side and you can access your basin with your potting soil. So not bad for less than $100 and a lot quicker than building. And that will last long enough to get the job done until we get the yard finished, and then we'll go from there. Putting some finishing touches on this, and we've got quite a storm brewing out here. All right, it's a happy Mother's Day. Gina got back from her trade show and she found her Mother's Day gift.
And I love it so much. I've always wanted a little potting station, and I love that you can open these. So let's see, this opens like this. On both sides it comes out, and you have a little sink, so that side pushes out too. And I can just play away with my pots and make pretty pots.
That's awesome. Happy Mother's Day, babe. Love you.